I really can't figure this one out, and I need your help.
No problem, Sammy.
Professor Thorne stole an old pirate's treasure chest from the bank this morning. The only thing we found was this piece of paper.
I think I know what this is. It's a cipher.
What's a cipher?
A cipher is a secret way of writing. It's a code we have to solve. Let's check it out. This one says, Slamsy. To decipher this message, we first have to count all the letters and spaces in the message and cut it in half. Just like that. Now we have to draw a grid and just write the message with spaces in the grid. The first half of the message is in the top part, and the second half is in the bottom part. See how we alternate letters with spaces? We don't fill out every box. That way, when we zigzag the letters, we form a sentence. And this one says, Sammy Sly. Now let's do it with your message.
Okay, here you go. I'll read the letters to you.
Perfect.
T, E, T, E, S, R, space, S, U, D, R, T, E, B, A.
I think that's a G, Sammy Sly.
I'm sorry, the handwriting is so bad. T, E, H.
Oh, wait 1 second. This is where we go to the bottom row.
Oh, right, you have to put it in half. So that's 17, so now we're gonna move on to the second set of 17. H, space, is after the H. R, A, U, E, I, space, N, E, space, H, space, I, space, R, E.
What does it say?
The treasure is under the big tree. B, Thorne's hidden the stolen treasure, and now we know where it is.
Yes, we do, Sammy.
I'll go retrieve the chest, and maybe I'll even catch Thorne this time. Thanks, B.
Thanks to you all for helping us solve the case. See you next time.